Dr. Zapp unveils his invention, a quantum culinary accelerator microwave. His assistant heats up his lunch, but presses the wrong button sequence. Dr. Zapp smirks. This was exactly what he hoped would happen. The microwave sucks goggles inside with a flash of blue energy. He is back with the dinosaurs! Zapped into another time zone. Oh my god. Zapped into another time zone. I smell you. Finally back in the lab.
Enough!
It's your turn now.